So today we are going to learn about another JSTL general purpose tag, right? That is a JSTL core tag, which is used in the general purpose. So in the last class we have discussed about the out tag. So in this we have written inside the index.jsp. I have renamed to C out. So to distinguish, I have renamed to C out.jsp. The same content is there. Okay. And another today we are going to learn about set and remove tag, right, of the JSTL core. As it is like we have added this tag lib to in order to work with the core tag. Okay, so this URI we have to add into our JSP file to work with the JSTL core. Okay, so the thing is that like today we are going to learn about the C set. Sorry, no, not C set. That is the set tag. Okay, set tag and the remove tag of the JSTL core. Okay, let me tell you what do you mean by set tag in JSTL core. Set tag, by the name you might have understood, like the set tag that is used to set the value to a variable. Okay, or we can set the value to a target of the property of a bean class. Okay, so for example we have a variable. If I write so C colon, then what we have to do, C set variable. We are writing variable, that is var variable. We can write variable, we should write in the var is equals to what is the variable name. Okay, the variable name is equal to, for example, we want to write the roll number. Okay, roll number of a student. Okay, roll number, and value is equals to some 10. Roll number is 10. Okay, and we will close this one. Okay, so variable equal to this one and value equal to this one. Variable equal to roll number and value equal to 10. If I go uh, roll number roll number is we can use expression tag, and we can put these things inside the roll number. Okay, so what it will do, it whatever the variable value is having, value will come as roll number is 10. Okay, let me run that. I'll show you. Okay, let me copy the file name to run that. Okay, I'll copy that. Tell core result. Take the file name JSP in order to write that. Okay, so as you have seen, our application is deployed. And let me go to this one, and let me, instead of index.jsp, let me give the C set and remove.jsp file. Okay, so here what we are doing, we are just printing the roll number. Okay, roll number is ampersand roll number. Why? Oh, ampersand we have given instead of dollar, we have given ampersand. Okay, that is my bad. Okay, fine. This time it should work. If I refresh this one, roll number is 10. It is coming. Okay, so this by this way we can use the set tag. If we want to set the variable, the value to a variable, then that way we can do. Okay, and to set the variable, if let me copy that. Set the variable, the value is this one, value is something, and target, that is one target is there. Target, target. So the target attribute, this is the variable is the attribute, set is the tag, variable is the attribute, value is the attribute. Okay, target is the attribute. By using the target attribute, what we can do, target is like uh, some name. Target is name and value is some uh, Smith. Okay, we want to set, so this, by using this target, value, and the property tag also we can use, that is called property is equals to some set property. So some set property. So these things we cannot run because we for these things we have to use what we have to use. We have to use the bin class and all. So I will tell you, like I will in the latter section whenever I will developing the project on the all, so that time I will make use of the set this target and property. Basically I what I will tell, the target is name, and this name whatever the value, for example I'm taking name, so what you can take something, okay, uh, and value is a smith, it will be set to the target, okay, by the set property we are using. This is the alternative to JSP colon set property. Okay, I have already discussed these things, okay, before. So these things, this set property is alternative to JSP set property, similar to JSP property. What we are doing here, the bin property we are setting. So similarly by using the set tag we can use, okay. Now I am not showing how the practical example of this one, only the basic example I am showing, okay. So what I can do, I can comment out this by this one, and here I will comment out this one, okay. Okay, you will get to know like or this one, okay. So this is not going to work out, so that is why I have commented, just for the demonstration purpose I have shown you, okay. And another thing I just wanted to add here is, like whenever we are setting the variable name here, the set tag value is 10, then we can it will be this roll number, this variable value 10 is only valid for this JSP page, okay. By default the scope is equals to page. Scope is page, okay. If you specify or not specify, the scope is valid for this page only. If you if you like try to reuse the variable roll number outside this page, it will give null value, okay. So the value will not be as the 10 value will not be able to access. But if I make it some request or session scope, what it will do, this value will be carried out like throughout the session, okay. That is the another property, another attribute, scope attribute we can use along with the set property, okay. This concept is very much important, like this scope attribute with the set tag, okay. So this is important one, okay. Let me run this session. The value is set to value is set to the session scope now, okay. So we are getting the roll number 10, and this is all about the set tag, okay. So another tag I have already told, I am going to demonstrate you, like the remove tag is nothing but to remove. Here we have used the session scope, right? So this roll number, this variable value will be valid for this throughout the session. To remove this variable value from the session scope, what we can do, or any scope, and here it is session, but for remove the variable from the any scope, so we can what we can use, we can use remove c colon remove, then the variable name, variable is equals to what, variable equals to roll number. So this roll number I can copy and I can paste here, okay. I can copy and I can paste here, and I will close this one, okay. And what I will do, I will print again this uh, roll number. If I try to get, then I should get nothing, null kind of thing, right? We should get, okay. Let me try to run that, okay. So okay, I have not given the br, okay. Let me tell you this here, br. So sometimes it happens, okay, fine. So let me run this one. See, the for the first time it is we are getting the value is 10. Once we remove this, we use the remove tag of the JSTL core library, so then the roll number we are getting as 10, sorry, nothing, empty or null, okay. In case string we will get null, or this is empty, nothing we are getting. So that means what, that means we are just removing the variable value from the scope. Okay, so whenever we want this, the variable should be set to the some scope or the property, then and whenever we want to remove that, we can do. Okay, by using the set tag and the remove tag. And I hope this set and the remove tag is clear to you people. Okay, so so far we have discussed the out tag, and set tag and remove tag. Okay, three tags we have discussed. Okay, and many more is going to come. So that's all for this video. We'll meet in the next video with another tag. Okay, so thank you.